This is how baby gets. I don't let him fly out right away, but that's exactly what he wants. But he's gotta wait, because if I let him fly out right now, and it's chaos, because he'll go everywhere. But this is just how he's hanging out right now. Right, baby? Before I let him go out fly. Yeah, you heard those kids, baby? They already saw you. Come here, baby. You're gonna go fly here. But you gotta wait. I know you're excited. Yeah, I know you're excited, but you gotta wait. Come on. Gonna go fly? Go. Woo, baby. Baby, come here. Okay, guys, so today actually I just noticed I didn't even check the sky first, but there is actually a hawk right there. You guys can see that hawk there. I mean, sometimes they don't even bother, but sometimes they will. And baby is basically hanging out in my back right now. Come here, baby, go fly. Sorry for my big old finger there. Good job, baby. Huh? Good job. So you see, guys, that hawk is right there. And baby's still with me right now, so he won't go anywhere. You see, he'll just be here, play with me. Right, baby? Go to the perch. Go. Hello, baby. So baby is really safe right now, even though there's a hawk on the sky. In the sky, not on the sky. Right, baby? You don't like these? I guess not. They're sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds.